Brother, can I ask you something real? Have you ever sat with yourself in silence and thought, am I truly in control of my life, or am I secretly chained by a habit I can't break? Maybe every morning you promise yourself, not today, but by night you whisper to yourself, I lost again. Listen to me carefully. Today I'll show you a path that has freed not just me, but thousands of brothers like you from the chains of addiction. 1. I diet. Protect your mind. You are what you see, and you act on what you think. So the first step, delete every adult video, every picture, every link from your phone and laptop. Do it right now, because as long as they sit near you, they'll keep pulling you back. 2. Engage your body. Temptation knocks when the body is idle and the mind is weak. Run, do push-ups, lift, sweat. When your body is tired, temptation won't dare to fight you. 3. Meditation. Build the shield of willpower. Close your eyes, breathe deeply, whisper to yourself, I am in control. Do this 10 minutes every day. Slowly, you'll notice your mind will learn to obey you. 4. Lock your time. Your most dangerous hours? When you're alone, with your phone, and nothing to do. Don't give those hours to temptation. Fill them with something that grows you. Read, learn, play, create. Free time is an open invitation to fall. So lock it with purpose. 5. Be proud of every win. Every time you say no, remember you've won a battle. One victory today, another tomorrow. That's how you become the hero of your own story. Brother, start the 7-day No Masturbation Challenge today. Comment how many days you've stood strong. We're in this fight together. You are never alone. Remember, addiction may whisper your name, but your answer will roar. No, my life is mine. Take one step today, and tomorrow you'll thank yourself.